Hello, my name's Mark Adams. I'm the Vice President of Design for Opel. Today I'm here to talk to you about the newest member of our X family, the Grandland X. It's a vehicle that's targeted at the fast-growing compact SUV segment and has wonderful interior dimensions and we think the perfect proportions for that segment. Let me talk to you about a few of the details. So at the front of this vehicle, you can see it has a really nice combination of sportiness yet robustness. Starting in the middle here, the emblem itself is proudly presented on this very vertical grille and these wing-like elements floating out and connecting through the headlamp, giving the car a very wide stance. These also allow the lamp to flow into our typical wing signature light that is on all Opel vehicles. Moving back here to the hood, you can see we've also created a lot more sculpture and precision, very consistent with our philosophy, with this center crease that again is typical for all Opel vehicles, and this beautiful flowing sculptural form on the hood, giving the car a very powerful character. The robustness of this vehicle is also echoed down in the lower area here, where this cladding again gives the car this very tough but premium feeling. So moving to the side, again this vehicle has a really nice balance between sleekness and robustness. The sleekness is created by this fast dropping roofline with our typical breakthrough C-pillar and these very crisp, precise undercuts that flow through the car. Then that's combined with this robustness with these cladded elements around the wheels and the lower body, again to add that toughness and strength of character that's so important for a vehicle in this segment. The rear of this vehicle has a beautiful balance of sportiness and robustness. It starts with this sleek profile of the car here, and as it really leads to this very wide, slender lamp that really gives the car a lot of width and a lot of power. Those lamps are nestled in this wonderful, clean, modern surfacing that really lifts the car dramatically and again aids that sportiness and dynamism that's so important for this vehicle.